And we continue to see cases rising at local nursing homes.
Now we're monitoring an outbreak at a long-term care facility in Salisbury. Just take a look here. Rowan County is now reporting 189 positive cases, and you can see the cases by zip code here. Now look closely. There are 115 cases in the 28147 zip code alone. And that's where the Citadel is a nursing home. Sources now tell us they are now dealing with an outbreak. And Channel 9's Mark Becker has been investigating cases at nursing homes, and now he joins us live outside the Citadel. And Mark, do we know how many cases are there tonight?
Not exactly, Damani, but we can get pretty close, right? Because the county here, Rowan County, just announced that they had 91 new cases overnight. They had 4 cases already, we're told, here at this particular facility, and so half of 91, well, that's going to be at least 46, right? So there would be about 50 here, which means there are dozens of families waiting on edge to hear from their loved ones. Are you afraid?
I'm very afraid, and I'm very sad.
She's worried, and you can understand why. We just told her that the nursing home caring for her father, the Citadel, has had dozens of residents and staff test positive for the coronavirus.
My father had told me as recently as last Friday, I believe, that there was a whole hall at their facility that was closed off, and he did mention that there were several patients that he hasn't seen anymore.
The wave of new cases here hit after the Rowan County Health Department oversaw wholesale testing of residents.
It's difficult once you have 1 or 2 cases to really stop those types of breakouts.
Health Director Nina Oliver told us her office has communicated with staff at the Citadel every day, suggesting ways to keep the virus from spreading.
They have followed all the guidelines that we've asked them to follow, all the recommendations.
But some are wondering if the safety measures came too late. A staffer at the Citadel told us yesterday that just 2 weeks ago, they were told not to wear masks.
I do think the facility should have taken measures early on. They didn't even start wearing masks, mandatory masks, until a week ago.
And now, on the outside and unable to help, a daughter is worried. Is he strong enough to survive COVID-19?
No, absolutely not. His body is very weak, and his lungs are compromised because of the emphysema. So there's no doubt in my mind he would not survive COVID-19.
And you have to wonder how many families are in that exact same position. We did try to reach management here at the Citadel. We're told they were going to release a statement sometime today, but we're still waiting. Damani?
All right, Mark Becker reporting live for us tonight. Thank you, Mark.